Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. So today's video will be another mail time. I'm super excited because I got 22 out of 20 gifts that I asked for, so thank you to everybody who gifted. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with Eva/board. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, she got that off my wish list, but thank you. Her again? Ooh, a winter mask. I've never seen that. Now we have a good amount from Love French Fries. 21. Another one from her. Bunny Time. Oh my gosh, I have so many things on my face right now. The must have. Apparently she says she gave me a Ultra, which I highly doubt that, but yeah, 2 gifts left, so kinda highly doubt that. Wait. Those ears look rare. It's probably those ears. Yeah, those bunny ears are probably ultras. I don't know. Thank you, Melanie. Mel Y. At Mel Y. Okay, now from ABC 123786. Cute doll. I'm all dolled up. Fragile. Psst. Simply lovely. Oh, that's cool. It's like a reddish. Living the dream. I wanted one of these, but like there wasn't white in it. So yeah. Beachy braids. Oh, cute. City chick. I don't know what I was about to say. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Oh my gosh. I'm still shook from it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm so shook right now. I'm so shook right now. Oh my gosh. Take all this crap off. It's not crap. I just calling it that, you know. I thought those were cute. I mean, they were, but like, no, they're not. I'll go ahead and put on that dress. Try to get a thumbnail. I don't know if it'll like be it though. How many top? Oh my god. Dark Queen. Ooh, I'm living for that. thank you so much, Eva/Board, again for gifting me. Now I gotta get the dress back on. But thank you for supporting me. I love all my fans that support me. Okay. Now we'll go into the art book. Make. I don't know, I might go in with my dress. Oh, it don't go. It don't. It doesn't. Go away with that. I'm sorry, y'all. It's my brother. I'm gonna try and take a screenshot. Go ahead and sing. Pretty sure this is a D-pack. Yeah. Oh my, excuse me. Okay. Well, yeah guys, there's not really a point. Well, go add my UK account. You know, it's really popping. Yeah, totally. Yeah, but, oh, okay. Subscribe, like, comment, do what you gotta do, whatever. Like, just hit something button, whatever. Yeah. Bye, guys.